One quiet afternoon, Grandma opened her old sewing box, the same one she'd kept for decades. Inside, among tangled threads and faded ribbons, she found a tiny pink button. Her hands trembled. It was from her daughter's childhood dress, the one she'd sewn the night before their biggest argument years ago. Tears filled her eyes as memories returned, not of anger, but of love. Bedtime stories, shared laughter, and hugs that once healed every pain. In that moment, she whispered, "I forgive you, and I hope you forgive me too." She sewed that little button onto her apron, a reminder that broken bonds can be mended, just like old clothes. Because sometimes forgiveness isn't about the past, it's about freeing the heart to love again.